Are you thinking about buying new construction in Georgetown, Texas, but you're worried that maybe $800,000 isn't enough? Well, you're not alone. I've had clients come up to me, let me know that they're feeling nervous, overwhelmed, thinking they're already priced out. But here's the truth. Even with a budget between $600,000 and $800,000 here in Georgetown, you have plenty of options. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's available here in Georgetown, Texas in 2025. I want to share with you where you will find the best values, how to get those amazing builder incentives, and how to avoid those traps that will cost buyers time, money, and peace of mind. And stick around until the end because I will show you one of those bonus communities that nobody knows about yet, but it's offering some of the best deals I've seen all year. Okay, let's start by why so many people are choosing Georgetown, Texas. I work with families, empty nesters, young professionals, all relocating from places like California, Florida, even Colorado. And what they love, what they tell me, is that Georgetown just feels comfortable, safe, friendly. It's not just about a house, it's about lifestyle. Truth is, Georgetown is one of the fastest growing communities in all of America. Here in Georgetown, you will find lower tax rates, closer to 2.0 to 2.3 in comparison to Austin, where you will find 2.25 all the way to 3% tax rate. There are strong resale values, great appreciation, and multiple master plan communities with on-site schools. And Georgetown, well, it's beautiful. There are trails, river parks, events at the square, food truck nights. There's always something cool happening. Okay, now to where you want to look if you want to stay under $800,000. First off, we have a Palmer Ranch. Here, inventory will range anywhere between $500,000 and $750,000. You can find modern floor plans by Sitterly and Perry Homes. There are these gorgeous greenbelt lots. There's an upcoming community center, and this one's zoned to Georgetown ISD. Clients love the hilltop breezes here and how peaceful the neighborhood feels. This is one of my favorite spots for growing families and my VA buyers. Next, we have Wolf Ranch. Here at Wolf Ranch, you will find inventory anywhere between $550,000 and $850,000. But there are still plenty of options right under $800,000. Here you will find resort style pools, hill country views, and trails. Currently, you have the River Camp Center under the construction. Here you will find builders like David Weekley, Perry Homes, Coventry, and Highland Homes. Wolf Ranch is great for young professionals relocating for work, especially if you want that luxury master plan community without the Austin price tag. Up next, you have Berry Creek Highlands. Here, inventory starts at $400,000. You have builders like Pulte and D.R. Horton. You also get golf access, and what I love about this is the low HOA fees as well as the low property taxes. This is perfect for my buyers who want a home with room to grow in and not necessarily need all that flashy stuff. Here at Berry Creek Highlands, it's about value and smart investing. Up next, we have Morningstar. This one is located in the Georgetown ETJ and it's zoned to Liberty Hill ISD. Inventory in Morningstar ranges anywhere between $450,000 and $750,000. Here you can enjoy the gorgeous hill country views, the trails, the pool, and a gorgeous amenity center. There's still ongoing construction here in Morningstar with a myriad of builders still building. So reach out to me if you're looking to build in Morningstar so I can share with you all the latest incentives. The vibe here in Morningstar is young families, open floor plans, and a lot of lifestyle for your money. And up next, the bonus community. I'm talking about the brownstones at Rivery Park. Here, inventory ranges anywhere between $650,000 and $850,000. I love it because it is low maintenance and walkable to everything. This one is great for those lock and leave buyers or even remote professionals. So what are we getting for $800,000 in 2025? Let me tell you, with $800,000, most builders will give you 3,000 to 3,500 square feet, 4 or 5 bedroom homes, media, flex room. You may even have options between 2 and 3 car garages, upgraded kitchen. Think about quartz counters or smart home systems. In this price point, you are getting outdoor living spaces. Think about rear covered porches or outdoor kitchens. Most of my clients in this price point feel excited because they know that they're not settling. They have options. They're choosing. That's a huge shift between the 2021 and 2022 market. And let's be honest, walking through these homes feels amazing. You've got those great islands, spa showers, walk-in closets, fireplace, outdoor kitchen. It's the type of house that makes you say, wow, I can really picture myself here. Okay, now let's talk savings, because in 2025, builders are motivated. And guess what? We are moving to Q4. They're more motivated than ever. Let me share with you my negotiation checklist. I like to ask for 2-1 or 3-2-1 rate buy downs. I am seeing anywhere between $10,000 and $50,000 in closing cost contributions. I am seeing a lot of design center credits or even free lot premium. Builders are throwing in appliances, so you better believe I am asking for that appliance package. And if the builder delays, let me tell you what, seller paid rate lock extensions. Okay, I know you don't have to ask for everything, but you need to know someone who knows which incentives are negotiable. So who does this work best for? This is great for dual income couples who are coming from high cost states, perfect for families upsizing, or those looking for top rated schools. This is also perfect for empty nesters who are looking to downsize. Maybe you are looking for something newer with nicer finishes and looking for that lifestyle. This is also perfect for those empty nesters looking to downsize but are looking for newer finishes, and couple that with the lifestyle that they've been dreaming of. One of my favorite clients are my veterans. VA buyers have their own incentives. So work with me and you know I'm always going to be asking for that hometown hero incentive. And my first time home buyers with equity from their previous townhouse or condo. Pretty much, who is Georgetown not perfect for? My job isn't just to open doors. It is to help you understand how to buy well. I work with buyers just like you, people moving up, moving in, and building the next chapter of their lives. Whether you're just getting started or ready to start touring today, I'm here to help. Call or text me using the number on the screen, or if you're ready to book a strategy call, go ahead and use the link in my description. I want to take this from research to reality. So until next time, take it easy.